Children to online classes, chapter 1, power sharing of civics, continuation of this chapter. Power sharing in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation. Sri Lanka has a diverse population. The major groups are the Sinhala speaking people, that is 74%, and Tamil speaking people 18%. Among Tamils, there are two subgroups. Tamil natives of the country are called Sri Lankan Tamils. Rest are Indian Tamils whose forefather came from India as plantation worker during colonial period. Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan Tamils concentrated in the north and east of the country. Most of the Sinhala speaking people are Buddhist. Most of them Tamils are Hindus or Muslims. 7% Christians are both Tamil and Sinhalas. Majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. Majoritism, a belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disgrading the wants, wishes, and needs of minorities. After independence in 1948, leaders of Sinhala community tried to dominate and took some majoritarian measures. 1956 Act was passed. It declared Sinhala as the official language. The government followed prefectional policy favoring Sinhalas for university education and government jobs. States shall protect and foster Buddhism. What were the outcomes? Let us see. These measures created feelings of inequality among Sri Lankans Tamil. They felt that this policy denied them equally political rights and opportunities. Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggled and demanded recognition of Tamil as an official language, regional autonomy, equal opportunity in education and jobs. These demands were denied. Demands for the separate state. In 1980s, several political organizations started demanding separate Tamil alum. Conflict development and it soon turned into a civil war. A violent conflict between opposing groups within a country started. Let us see its result. What was the result? Thousands of people got killed. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees. Many more lost their livelihood. Excellent record of Sri Lankans, economic development, education, health received a terrible setback. Last videos we have seen Belgium, and in this video we have seen Sri Lanka. Now Belgium and Sri Lanka both are democracy, approached with the power sharing differently. In Belgium, the leaders have realized that the unity of country is possible by respecting the feeling and interest of different communities and regions. But in Sri Lanka shows that a majority community want to force its dominance over others and refuse to share power. That's all for today. Thank you.